kids. So yeah, throw some axes. We'll get out nice and quick. Do some fires as well to keep us warm. And yeah, have a good day.
So it's all right, yeah?
I've got pets.
You got some pets? What you got?
Dog and a brother.
Hey.
Second joke.
Right then, shall we head out then, guys? Take that one, Trix. You're quite a strong lad, aren't you? You grab the wood bag. And H, could you grab the water? Hey. Okay, let me throw your axes into that. Saves us a job.
Come on, guys.
Nice one, buddy. Just put that in just somewhere around the side. Right, everything else then, guys. Just keep your bag around your now. Right then, guys, grab your stuff then. Alright guys, you want to put your bags inside the hut then? What do we feel like doing? Axe throwing first? Or a bit of fire lighting? What we're feeling like?
Fire lighting.
You want to do some fire lighting? You can do that, yeah? Anyone else? You want to do axe or 1-1? Kyle, fire or axes first? Fire? 2-1? 2-2, or you guys? Might get someone behind you. So, when we start throwing, you're going to go and stand just inside this shelter, okay? Feel free to grab some logs. You can sit on some logs. So point it. And then when you let go, you want your hand to be there again. And your arm all the way back. Throw it as hard as you can and point. Yes, there we go. Yes, there we go. Hold it really tight, ready? There we go. And what we're going to do, we're going to point it. 4, 3, throw. We have done our axe throwing. Using small ones, medium ones, really big ones, which you've all done absolutely amazing at. Yeah, really good, Kyle. Yeah, go on then. Yeah. So you've absolutely smashed that. So what we're going to do, we're going to take down the big shelter we had as a team, put it back in the shelter. After that, we'll go for a bit of a walk, get some blood going again, warm up again. Okay, it's quite chilly. Then we'll come back, do some little bits of fire lighting, and then it'll be probably about time to clear off. So shall we go do that shelter first? Let's go, go, go. It's cold. Put some legs in, if they all go in. And can we have 2 volunteers to carry that into this shelter for me? Who's feeling strong? Yeah, so if you grab one side. It does it, but you can do something to make lots of really black ink. So yeah, natural ink, you can make out of those. If you see anything on your way, any trees, anything you want to kind of know about, let me know and we'll tell you a bit about them. Tree, what that is, it's like branches that are hanging in trees that might fall down.
Tree that just splits without warning.
Yeah, there's a beech tree, so sometimes in the wind, the branches might fall off. So you don't want to put a tent underneath one, but it's not that common. Most people call widow makers, yeah.
We did forest schools, bushcraft.
Oh, okay.
And they said never tie your hammock to one of these trees because it can just split without warning. All you see is.
All right. Yeah, it tends to be like a branch, like that big thing coming off.
Yeah.
Obviously that's an oak tree, but yeah, it tends to shed the branches in the wind. Sometimes you see them kind of swimming against the current, trying to get any little bits that are coming down.
They're probably under the bridge.
Maybe they're hiding, yeah. Yeah, so we're going to go the public bridle way. So that is following the water. Don't go in the water, guys.
All right, I will do. I'll go for a flip.
Don't go crazy on me. Don't go all rogue. Birch brush, really good for fire lighting. We'll use it later. Even when it's wet, you can kind of dry it out, and it burns amazingly. Okay. So as we walk down kind of the lane, look for those white trees, the silver birch, and look for some of these purple sticks, and try to get 2 handfuls. You'll set it on fire and keep yourselves warm later. Shall we do it? Let's go. Let's do it. So some on the floor just over here. Keep looking for those purple sticks if you can. I just think, guys, the more you get, the bigger the fire you can have. Kyle, are you going to find some? Yeah, absolute loads. Kyle, do you want to come to me? Look, we'll find some on the floor. There's loads around here. Can you find more? A bit more. Keep bunching up. Anyone know what it is? Christmas song about him. Something roasting on an open fire. Chestnut, yeah. So it's a chestnut.
Sweet chestnut.
Sweet chestnut, yeah. So you can eat them. Not now they're on the floor and they're kind of rotten, but it's another edible kind of fruit. What we're going to do next, the plan, is we're going to tidy up here, get everything sorted. Once you're happy, jump on the bus, get back to the centre, do a little bit of Target stuff, have a nice drink to warm up, and then it's out of the door and go home. Yeah? Yeah. Enjoyed it? Yeah. Nice one, let's do it. Let's tidy up then. Yeah. Go, go, go! Today we have been managed to light some fires and even joined us on a walk around. Well done today, buddy. Shall we get to Mum then? And we'll see you next week. Well done today. Yeah.